Welcome to Block 7. In this video, we will explore the transformation of an old carpenter's workshop in the Poble Sec neighborhood of Barcelona into a comfortable and functional living space. This project, named Loft MdP, was designed by FFWD Arquitectes with a unique approach to restoration and adaptation, preserving the essence of the old building while introducing new elements that enhance its functionality. When the building was first acquired, its condition was far from ideal. The brick and stone walls were hidden beneath thick layers of plaster and mortar, stripping away their original character. Additionally, the ceiling beams were severely damaged by termites, threatening the overall structural stability. However, one major advantage of the property was the abundance of natural light openings and the presence of an inner patio, offering great potential for optimal lighting and ventilation. Inside the house, several pieces of furniture were integrated directly into the flooring, including the living room sofa, kitchen tables, and bathroom sinks. These elements were constructed from brick and covered with concrete, creating a cohesive aesthetic that aligns with the industrial and raw character of the original structure. The chosen materials not only offer durability, but also bring a natural ambiance that blends seamlessly with the incoming light. The main approach of this project was to preserve the original architectural elements, such as the walls and roof, while introducing a new floor element that served as the foundation for spatial configuration. This floor not only unified the various areas of the home, but also resolved significant height differences, such as between the two entrances at different levels and between the main floor and the patio, which is about 45 centimeters lower. To organize the space, closed box-like structures were used to house private functions such as bathrooms and dressing rooms. Their strategic placement also helped define the bedroom areas while maintaining separation from the daytime living spaces such as the living room and kitchen. This layout achieves a balance between privacy and openness, ensuring that each function within the home operates optimally. The uniqueness of Loft MdP also lies in its flexible layout. The homeowner wanted a small, independent apartment for guests who frequently visit throughout the year. When not in use by guests, this space serves as a personal studio. As a result, the house was designed with two separate areas that can function independently when needed. This flexibility allows the resident to adapt the space according to their needs without compromising comfort or aesthetics. With a total area of 122 square meters, this project successfully transformed an old structure into a modern home while preserving its original character. The harmonious integration of restoration and new interventions creates an authentic yet comfortable atmosphere. The maximization of natural light, thoughtful material selection, and flexible layout make Loft MdP an inspiring example of how old spaces can be revitalized into functional and beautiful living environments. That wraps up our discussion on Loft MdP by FFWD Arquitectes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design inspirations. See you in the next video.